So we are starting a new topic. Radiation part is complete. This is H2M1. The new topic is thermodynamic process. Thermodynamic. In thermodynamics, the remaining topics are, the first one is thermodynamic process. The next is kinetic theory of gases, KTG. KTG, it will take only 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes to complete. And thermodynamic process, it will take 2 to 3 lectures, at least 3 lectures. तो लग ही जाएगा, उसको अच्छे से करना है with questions. ठीक है, clear? And you are having your next FT on first week of Feb ना, और second week किस डेट को है अपकमिंग टेस्ट, किस डेट को है?
Sir, 10th to 13th Feb.
Okay, but we will try to complete this chapter by the end of the month, है ना, कोशिश यही करेंगे. ठीक है, clear. So in thermodynamic process we have to complete these topics: thermodynamic process. We have to complete these topics. First one is
KTG is a separate chapter.
KTG is a separate chapter, yeah, separate chapter. ठीक है. So first one is thermodynamic terms. क्या क्या टर्म्स होंगे वो देखेंगे. रिवर्सिबल and irreversible process. Then next is, अच्छा, have we covered that part, degree of freedom? Degree of freedom हुआ भी नहीं हुआ, नहीं कराया ना कहीं पे भी, नहीं किया हुआ, नहीं हुआ है. डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम नहीं हुआ है. हीट कैपेसिटी कवर्ड है, दैट हीट कैपेसिटी पार्ट, स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी कैलोरीमेट्री में याद आ रहा है, कुछ याद आ रहा है? ठीक है, ओके. देन मोलर हीट capacities and degree of freedom. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में गेट चेंज ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स. dq, du and dw है ना, क्या है? these are heat supplied, the heat not only supplied, heat exchange internal energy and work done respectively. dq is heat exchange, du is internal energy, dw is work. इसको ऐसे लिख लो, नॉट du के टर्म में मत लिखो, राइट इट q u and w and work done. Next is types of process. इसमें we will study about isochoric. One is isochoric, second is isobaric, third is isothermal, fourth is adiabatic, and the last one is polytropic process. polytropic. Then PV graph, PV graph and work done. That we will cover before the process. ठीक है? Clear?
Or
Yes, beta.
what have we written beside heat exchange?
Heat exchange. This Q, yeah. This Q is heat exchange. This U is
First
internal.
letter.
Which term, beta? Which
First
statement?
term, what is that?
Heat exchange.
Heat exchange का वाला है. हाँ.
Heat exchanged.
लिखा है ना.
क्या पूछ रहे हो? समझ नहीं पाया मैं.
Nice, sir. You've written three letters there. No, what's the first letter?
This is heat exchanged. This is energy, internal energy. This is work done.
तो आपने कुछ लिखा है फिर U and W ना.
U, हाँ. Q is heat exchange. U is internal energy and W is work done. Clear? Then Carnot engine, heat engine, and refrigerator. And the last one is polytropic process. Clear? So these topics we will cover in thermodynamic process. Okay? So first is thermodynamic process. Here the terms. What you understand by thermodynamic process? Thermodynamic process. Thermodynamic process is a process in which we study thermal behavior of gas and observe changes in thermodynamic terms like pressure that we will denote by P, volume, temperature will be denoted by T, internal energy will be denoted by. Okay, so these terms we will study. Other than that, work done and heat exchange will be calculated. Clear? So this is all about thermodynamic process का definition और कुछ नहीं. अच्छा, the objective of thermodynamic in physics is to take the work from the gas. ठीक है? The purpose of physics is just to design the engine to take the output. केमिस्ट्री में उल्टा होता है. केमिस्ट्री में we will supply energy to the gas, we will perform work on the gas and we will observe the changes. Okay, but in physics our expectation is just put the petrol in the engine and get the work. ठीक है? So physics में क्या होगा? Physics में suppose if this is the gas, so how we will take the sign? This is the gas. So when you perform the work, when you give the energy to the gas, this dq supplied, it will be taken as positive. When gas performs some work, this work will be taken as positive. Okay, work done by the gas. Okay, the gas is performing the work. Whatever is going to the gas, that is into the gas, and whatever the coming out of the gas, that is performed by the gas. Okay, so if you are extracting the energy, so that dq is negative. Okay, if you are performing work on the gas, that dw will be taken negative. Okay, so this one is work done by gas. This one work done on gas. Heat supplied, heat supplied to the gas and extracted, heat extracted. So there may be rise in or drop in the internal energy. So if internal energy is rising, that means जब ये बढ़ेगा, so we will take it positive. When it decreases, we will take it negative. Clear? So what is internal energy of the gas? When you increase the temperature, so the internal energy is intermolecular thermal energy associated with the molecules. Okay. So when you supply some energy, some portion will get converted into energy, some portion will get in form of work. Okay, that we will study in first law of thermodynamics. हम देखेंगे. But how to take the sign? So in this way we will take the sign of the various terms. Clear? Is it clear? So dq is heat, du is internal energy, and dw is work done. Is it clear? Is it clear? कार में कितना पेट्रोल डाला, कार ने कितना माइलेज दिया, देखो द पेट्रोल डालना इज डीक्यू. कार में पेट्रोल डालना सिंपल सा है. कार में यू टेक सम पेट्रोल, then whatever the mileage you are getting, that is work done. Your mileage is work done. And the temperature, whatever the temperature is rising in the engine, that is internal energy. ठीक है. So this is just like q, this is just like u, sorry w, and this is just like u. Clear? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? Is it clear? Clear है? Is it clear? Clear? Not करना. चलो. So that's all about thermodynamic process that we will study. What we will study? We will study about the thermodynamics terms that changes and different time like work done, heat supplied, internal energy change. Okay. So in physics, you just need to study only ideal behavior. This is ideal gas equation. Hayana? Correct? This is ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. P is pressure, V is volume, T is temperature, and R is universal gas constant. When you take in SI 8 point, ऐसा कुछ होता है वैल्यू, इसका कुछ याद? 8.314.
Yes, sir.
Also. And N is number of moles. There is a relation when you take gas in molar form, then you have to take R. But when you take in atomic form or just a single atom or molecule, then you have to use PV is equals to KT. Here KT. K is, what is K? K is Stephen Boltzmann constant. gas state हो चुका है. Gas state is covered in chemistry.
Yeah, sir.
So what is K? K क्या होता है बताओ? Small k. This is small k.
So Boltzmann's constant.
Boltzmann. That sigma was Stephen Boltzmann constant. This is Boltzmann constant. Okay. And this is Avogadro number. Avogadro number. The value of Na is कितना होता है? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Correct? Is it correct? Correct है?
हाँ
Any doubt? So that's all about ideal gas equation, है ना? Clear? Clear? लैग आ गया थोड़ा सा. Clear? So when you deal with the single atom or molecule, then you have to use Boltzmann constant. Otherwise, you have to use R. Okay. So we will be using only ideal gas equation. Okay. Correction. That is the real gas equation. That equation we will not use in physics. That you have to study in chemistry only. Clear? Because there must be some correction in pressure and volume. ना पढ़ते हैं हम लोग add करते हैं minus करते हैं. That is not required in physics. Physics में उसकी requirement नहीं है. Clear? Is it clear? Next is types of process. One is reversible. One is अच्छा. There are different type of process. Isochoric, isobaric, isothermal, adiabatic. नहीं. Before starting anything, we will see what type of process are happening in the universe. So there are basically two type of process. One is irreversible. One is irreversible. The process that you can't undo, है ना? Irreversible process. The second is reversible process. The second is reversible. We will study about these processes in the next slide. Next slide, we will cover the processes. Clear? Basically, two processes are happening in the universe. One is reversible and other is irreversible. Practically all the process happening are irreversible, and reversible process only will be in the ideal situation. Okay, in practical life, all the processes are irreversible, because suppose if you mix something, you can't filter them completely 100%. You may achieve 99% filtration, but you can't filter them exactly that before mixing. Okay, so in practical life, all the processes happening are irreversible. Okay, just like Fazan's rule, nothing is perfect. You can't filter them बिल्कुल perfectly, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, some impurity will be there, कुछ ना कुछ रह जाएगा. ठीक है, noted, नोट कर लो. डन हो गया.
Yes, sir.
ओके, फिर से बता रहा हूं मैं. This one is irreversible. I'm taking you along the path with your eyes closed. You can't go back on the same track. So in case of irreversible process, PV graph, initial and final point will be known, the path will be unknown. In case of reversible process, you are going into the classroom with your eyes open. You can go back using the same track. So this is the reversible process. In PV graph, initial and final point as well as path will be known. Okay, and in our syllabus, we will study only about reversible process, not the irreversible. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. So in irreversible process, we can go to the initial point by using a different path, right?
You can go, but you can't achieve everything same, na? Suppose if you want to first you want to vaporize some water. Suppose if you are having 1 liter of water and you want to make it steam, so will you be able to convert that part of steam? 1 liter of, if you convert 1 liter of water, that definitely that will get converted into 40. Actually, compression ratio is different. Okay, so if you evaporate the water, it will go in much higher volume in case of gas. Okay, I will take example. 1 liter of steam, 1 liter of water will get converted into 40 liter of steam. So when you condense 40 liter of steam, you won't be able to achieve 1 liter of water. Okay, कुछ lesser ही achieve होगा उसमें. समझ में आया कि नहीं है? जैसे
Yes, sir.
if you vaporize water then you condense water, you won't be able to achieve the exact amount जो इनिशियल था वो नहीं मिलेगा, समझे?
हाँ सर.
समझा ना? बिल्कुल सिंपल, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. आगे बढ़े. डन.
So sir, equilibrium processes real life processes नहीं रहेंगी because
नहीं, रियल लाइफ में नहीं होती. लेकिन अच्छा, अब आप कहोगे सर रियल लाइफ में होता नहीं तो पढ़ते क्यों है? पहले आइडियल वर्जन पढ़ते हैं हमेशा, उसके बाद प्रैक्टिकल चीजों में कुछ करेक्शन डाल के वो रियल वाला बन जाता है. ठीक है.
हाँ सर. ओके.
जैसे एक बच्चा कह रहा था कि सर हर चीज आइडियल पढ़ेंगे तो फिर क्या फायदा है रियल लाइफ का. ठीक है. इवन इंजीनियरिंग में भी आप जाओगे, मतलब इंजीनियरिंग तो नहीं करोगे, मेडिकल में जाओगे. इंजीनियरिंग में क्या होता है, किसी भी चीज का फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी आइडियल वर्जन. आइडियल वर्जन के बाद जब पढ़ लोगे, समझ जाओगे थ्योरी, देन यू कैन अप्लाई टू द रियल लाइफ. ओके. ठीक है.
Yes sir.
Now we will study reversible process. Okay. Properties of reversible process. The first one. This process is quasi-static. Books में लिखा रहता है quasi-static. मतलब कि it's very slow. That you can assume it to be at static. मतलब आप मान सकते हैं कि वो रुका हुआ है. ठीक है. The process is such slow that you can assume that it is a static process, quasi-static. That means very slow. We can assume it to be static. That means if A is getting converted into a B, they are always in equilibrium. Clear? You can convert B into A at any moment. Quasi-static. It's very slow. Okay? Clear? Next is equilibrium. It will be in equilibrium. What type of equilibrium? First one is thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium. So that means temperature of gas is uniform throughout the volume. That means ऐसा नहीं होगा कि if you are having a chamber, half of the gas is having temperature T and other half is having 2T, पूरा यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होगा until unless they are not insulated properly. ठीक है. अगर एक गैस है तो उसका टेम्परेचर प्रॉपरली T होगा, पूरा का पूरा सेम टेम्परेचर फैला होगा. क्लियर. सेकेंड is mechanical equilibrium. So what is mechanical equilibrium? There will be no acceleration of piston. There will be no acceleration of piston, or you can say net force is equals to 0. क्यों ऐसा क्यों? If you are having a piston क्या होता है? This is a piston having gas inside. यहाँ पे गैस है. ठीक है. And we are applying a pressure P1 this side and P2 this side. So the net force acting F net on the piston should be equals to 0. Clear? There will be no acceleration. We have to take only equilibrium condition. जो भी हम आगे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे उसमें सारी चीजें होंगी. And the last one is केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम, केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम भी होगा वहां पे, केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम. So that means you can't say that these gases are reacting with each other. No chemical reaction. No chemical reaction between gases. Clear? अच्छा, this is between ना, समझ जाते हो ना, this is between. क्यों ये पूरा लिखूं?
समझ जाता है.
क्योंकि एक बच्चे ने बहुत ही मुझे परेशान कर दिया था, कहते सर ये बिटवीन ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट बोल दिया उसने, तो मैं तब से बहुत डिस्टर्ब चल रहा हूँ, है ना, कि ये कैसे हो सकता है. नो केमिकल रिएक्शन, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट कहाँ से आ जाएगा, एकदम से बिटवीन ही आएगा ना. ठीक है, चलो. नो केमिकल रिएक्शन बिटवीन द गैसेस. सो केमिकल रिएक्शन इज नॉट अराउंड इन फिजिक्स. जो भी करना है केमिस्ट्री में करो. ठीक है, इन फिजिक्स वी विल ओनली टेक इनर्ट गैसेस, दे विल नॉट रिएक्ट विद ईच अदर. ठीक है, व्हेन यू आर मिक्सिंग टू गैसेस दे विल नॉट गो इन केमिकल रिएक्शन. क्लियर है कि नहीं? इज इट क्लियर? So these are the requirements of reversible process that we will study. First one is quasi-static, very slow. Second, it must be in equilibrium. What type of equilibrium? Thermal equilibrium, mechanical equilibrium, and chemical equilibrium. Clear? So clear? चलो एक क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूं मैं. वन क्वेश्चन. This is there is a chamber of gas. And you are having a piston. There is a piston. This is a piston that can move up and down. This one, like this. This can move up and down like this. Okay. Having mass m, atmospheric pressure is P atm. P atm. Cross section area. Cross section area is equals to A. You have to find the pressure of the gas. Find P. Find P is
है.
pressure of gas. Gravity is here. Yes, beta. Sit there.
Then
M is the mass. M is mass of M is mass of piston. Mass of piston. And situation is given that everything is at equilibrium. Everything is at equilibrium. Find P. Find P. Neha?
क्लिक नहीं हुआ.
So this is mg. So mg force will act downward. P into the cross section area A and P atm into the cross section area. So to make it in equilibrium, क्या होगा? So P is equals to P atm plus. Correct? इज इट करेक्ट? समझ में आ गया?
हाँ सर।
चलो नेक्स्ट। नेक्स्ट इज, आगे बढ़े? इज क्लियर? चेक कर लो, देखो कोई डाउट है तो। अब क्या बच रहा है? नेक्स्ट इज आफ्टर द प्रोसेस, देन अच्छा, आई विल टेक द फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक, सबसे पहले ले लूंगा मैं। फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक सबसे पहले ले लेंगे। नेक्स्ट इज फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक। अच्छा, इन फिजिक्स ओनली फर्स्ट लॉ इज देयर, सेकेंड लॉ यू विल स्टडी इन केमिस्ट्री, केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ते हैं एंट्रोपी के लिए, ठीक है? फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ thermodynamics, this tells about, is based on energy conservation. This tells about distribution of energy, distribution distribution of energy. So क्या होगा? Q energy, when you supply Q energy to the gas, Q, when you supply Q, some portion will be used in raising energy and some portion will be used in work done. So you have to remember this, U plus W. This is about first law, ठीक है? This is about first law, ये first law, ठीक है? What is dq? अच्छा, q is total heat, u is total energy and w is work done. Okay, so q is heat. q क्या है? Heat. q is heat. u is internal energy. Internal energy, we will take internal energy, अभी हम पढ़ेंगे इसके बारे में डिटेल में. and w is work, ठीक है? but we will denote it by
तो
dq.
इसमें सेम
yes बेटा?
तो केम से अलग होंगे फॉर्मूलाज?
नहीं, बिल्कुल सेम है, बस केम में क्या करते हैं, देखो फर्स्ट लॉ इज सेम, डजेंट मैटर। देखो जब बनाया गया तो ऐसे नहीं बताया गया था कि आप केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ोगे तो अलग उसके लिए, ये बिल्कुल सही है। लेकिन केम में कुछ अलग करते हैं। केम में क्या करते हैं, वर्क डन ऑन द गैस उसको पॉजिटिव ले लेते हैं, तो वो ऐसे करते हैं Q प्लस डब्ल्यू इज इक्वल टू यू, ऐसा ऐसा पढ़ा हुआ केम में,
हाँ सर।
है ना? तो उसमें ऑन द गैस होता है, वो ऑन द गैस। केम में ऑन द गैस पॉजिटिव लेते हैं, यहाँ पे बाय द गैस पॉजिटिव लेते हैं, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
डी यू प्लस डी डब्ल्यू, लेकिन यूज ये करेंगे पूरा असली वाला। क्यों? वाई वी आर यूजिंग दिस? बिकॉज डी क्यू इज हीट, क्योंकि एक्सचेंज है ना, हीट सप्लाइड। सो व्हेन यू सप्लाई हीट यू विल टेक इट पॉजिटिव, ओके? और यू कैन टेक हीट एक्सचेंज, हीट एक्सचेंज ही लो, हीट एक्सचेंज, चेंज इन internal energy, work done by or on the gas. अब देखो, when you supply energy, अभी मैंने पीछे लिखवाया था ना यही वाला, इसी को you can take care, बार बार बनाएंगे नहीं, just one, है ना? पहले मैंने साइन कन्वेंशन बता दिया था। साइन कन्वेंशन यहाँ पे बना लो इसमें, ठीक है? लिख भी देंगे, ठीक है? डी क्यू पॉजिटिव, हीट सप्लाइड, डी क्यू नेगेटिव, when dq is negative, That means heat trapped. Clear? dW positive work by gas. अच्छा, the gas will do positive work only when it expands. Only when it expands. ठीक है? अभी मैं बताऊंगा क्यों, आगे समझ में आ जाएगा. And the remaining term we will take it. यहाँ पे ले लो यहीं पे. dW negative work on gas. मतलब कि इसमें क्या करेगी, contracts. Then du positive rise of temperature of gas. Whenever the temperature of gas rises, the energy will rise. du negative drop of drop of gas temperature. Clear? Drop in the gas temperature. Clear? Is it clear? Clear है?
हाँ सर.
सर आपने लिखा है कि like it tells about the distribution of energy. Could you explain कि वो कैसे like
We are
distribution of
checking na.
energy भी बता.
This is the distribution na. Whatever the amount of heat you have supplied, that will get distributed in energy and work done na.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. Sure. Note कर लो. Next is, so that is all about first law. First law में इतना ही करना है, कुछ करना नहीं है. अच्छा, first law can't tell you whether the process will happen or not. ठीक है, एक चीज याद रखना. First law can't tell about process feasibility. जैसे सपोज यू आर हैविंग अ स्टोन, इसको आपने नीचे हीट सप्लाई करी है, आपको ये वर्क करेगा तो स्टोन के दौड़ने लग जाएगा, नहीं ना? बोलो, इफ यू सप्लाई हीट टू अ स्टोन, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? वो एनर्जी तो राइज करेगा, क्या ये भागने थोड़ा लग जाएगा, है कि नहीं? तो फर्स्ट लॉ कांट टेल यू वेदर व्हाट टाइप ऑफ प्रोसेस विल हैपन. वो सिर्फ बताएगा अगर प्रोसेस हो रहा है देन हाउ द एनर्जी विल गेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट. क्लियर? समझा? समझा कि नहीं? फर्स्ट लॉ आपको ये नहीं बता सकता कि प्रोसेस कैसे क्या होगा, वो ये बता सकता है अगर प्रोसेस होता है देन दिस विल बी द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एनर्जी. समझ गए? एग्जांपल है, सपोज यू आर इफ यू आर सप्लाइंग हीट एनर्जी टू अ स्टोन, तो क्या स्टोन कोई वर्क करेगा? नहीं ना, कुछ दौड़ने तो लग नहीं जाएगा. ठीक है, तो मान लेंगे कि फर्स्ट लॉ के बारे में हम समझ जाएंगे, सिर्फ एनर्जी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बताता है. क्या होता था? एनर्जी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज molar heat capacities. Okay, any doubt about this statement? Any doubt? First law can't tell about the process feasibility. Any doubt? ठीक है. Next is molar heat capacity. Molar heat capacity is defined as heat capacity of gas per unit mole. अच्छा, what was the specific heat capacity? बताओ.
For 1 gram or 1 kg.
Yeah, in the same way we will take a small c as capital C by number of moles. ठीक है, this one. So this is molar heat capacity. Molar heat capacity. This is total heat capacity. Total heat capacity. What was the total heat capacity? C, dq by dt. So you can write dq by and dt, where dq is heat and dt is rise or change in temperature or change in temperature. That is equals to T final minus T initial. Clear? So small c is molar heat capacity. What was the specific heat capacity? That was C by M ना, C by M. ये तो किया था ना in case of liquid. Liquid के केस में किया था ये सब. So that was specific heat capacity and C is total heat capacity. M was mass. Hi Anna. Clear? Is it clear? So to get dq, you have to multiply n is the number of mole, then molar heat capacity C, ठीक है, and dt. This is the net heat. Okay, n is number of moles, C is molar heat. राइटिंग शायद खराब हो रही है आजकल, है ना. हीट कैपेसिटी एंड इट इज चेंज इन टेम्परेचर. T final minus T initial. Clear? Is it clear? Clear है?
Yes, sir.
So that will be all for today. आज यहीं रखेंगे.